Hey ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently we're sitting at 45,103. We're down almost 7% on the day. We're sitting in a market cap of 844 billion. 24-hour volume is 31.61 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. You can also grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime travel incentives. So we're gonna start here on the daily. I wanted to show you guys Elliott wave theory here. So you have 5 impulsive waves followed by an ABC correction. I'm sure you've seen other analysts talking about it here on YouTube. So we can see here, we went impulsive wave 1, corrective wave, impulsive wave 3, corrective wave 4, impulsive wave 5, followed by an ABC correction that brought us all the way back down to the support of wave 2. Now, as we can see here with our most recent pump, we've had our 5 impulsive waves. Impulsive wave 1, corrective wave, impulsive wave 3, corrective wave 4, impulsive wave 5. So are we now going through our ABC correction? I think it is a possibility here, guys. As you can see here, when we went through our ABC, we came up to the 0.786 and we got rejected. And this time around, we came up to the golden ratio and we got rejected. So does that mean we're coming all the way back down to 37.8? I think that is a possibility, guys, and just something I wanted to make you guys aware of. So I'm going to pop over to the weekly chart, and another indicator that many of us are watching is the 21-day moving average, this bright yellow line right here. If I scroll back and we look at our previous bull run, okay, so you can see here back in 2018, when we started to come underneath the 21-day moving average and we started to hit it as resistance, it sent us into a bear market. So it's actually a very bullish sign that we've come back above the 21-day moving average and signifies continuation on this bull run. So another level that we may find support, we may not come all the way down to 37K, is here on the 21-day moving average, which is coming in at about 41K as the weeks continue here. Find support along the 21-day and see that continuation back to the upside. So do keep an eye on that. On the weekly time frame, the 21-day moving average could act as a level of support for us to see that continuation. But if we were to break that level and we see that continuation to the downside, I would target 37.8K, which is the support level of our corrective wave 2. Just as we did here, we went through our ABC correction and our wave C came down to the support level of our corrective wave 2. So are we going to see a repeat here? As you can see, we had our bearish divergence, higher highs, lower highs on the RSI, correction, higher highs, lower highs on the RSI. So a possibility is that we come down here and we consolidate just as we did in our previous large correction right here. And then we see that continuation back to the upside once again. It's just a possibility. I wanted to make you guys aware of it, but you can see the similarities from our last pump and our last correction here. So let's pop into Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. So you can see we broke 46.7. I did think we had a good chance of seeing a bounce there. We did have a little bit of a bullish divergence. The price was falling, the RSI was rising. Then we had some pretty extreme selling pressure that pushed the price all the way down to this level of support at about 45K. And you can see we've come all the way down to touch 44.2, which was a major level of support. Now do expect a relief bounce here. As you can see, we are oversold. So we'll drop in some quick levels of resistance. I'm just going to pop it over to the 4 hour just so things are more visible for you guys. So 45K, you can see the support in this area will act as a level of resistance. And then basically all the way back up at about 46.7, that major level of resistance that turned into support will act as resistance once again. But if you do see us come up and get rejected by 45 or 46.7 or get rejected here by the EMAs, we roll over, we break 44.2. Your next level of support here for Bitcoin is down at about 42.6K. You can see it was a previous swing high and very close to where this wick came down to in our flash crash. And then if we lose that particular level of support, guys, then that's when we can come down to that 37.5 price target. It does look like we may be going through that ABC correction here, but if we were to come up and break 46.7, your next target is 48.34 Bitcoin. All right, guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin, sign into Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading. They also have spot trading available. Receive up to $600 in bonuses. Guys, shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members posting chart patterns. Great way to stay ahead of the game. And a great place to talk all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon. It's the price of a coffee. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.
Mm.